Well, good afternoon to you all. Honorable Governor, Lieutenant General Gurmeet Singh ji, our Honorable Cabinet Minister, Sri Kiran Rijiju, our Lieutenant Governor, Admiral Sri Joshi ji, our Secretary, Disaster Management Department, Dr. Ranjit Sinha, Convener, Dr. Anand Babu, and Graphic Garage Chairman, and all those delegates, experts, plenary experts, speakers, they have come from all across the world, from all the continents, and from more than 51 countries, since the representation was there. And online, there were close to, so it was represented by about 70 countries, this World Congress. So it is a phenomenal success with regard to WCDM. Applaud and salutations to all. And as our Secretary Sahab mentioned, it was in the wake of this Silkara, this crisis. And look at the bounty of God, the kindness of God. The day it started, the very same day it got resolved out here. So again, it is the power of divinity, it is the power of collective prayers of all these people from across the world. I'll read out, I'll be brief, because there were a number of, over 4 days, there were sessions, more than 60 sessions, special sessions, inclusive sessions. There were so many special features, those were planned, and those were so beautifully executed. I'll read out quickly. The 6th World Congress on Disaster Management was jointly organized by the Uttarakhand State Disaster Management Authority, DMICS, Hyderabad, State Council for Science Technology, Dehradun, from 28th of November to 1st December. And the theme was Strengthening Climate Action and Resilience with a special focus on mountain ecosystem and communities. This World Congress provided a large platform for researchers, policymakers, and practitioners from over 50 countries who deliberated on various issues. All the plenaries, special technical sessions, special feature events, poster presentations, and other events were planned and executed by the Scientific Technical Committee. And altogether, there was 6 plenary sessions, 20 special sessions, 6 special feature events, and 50 technical sessions. Over 600 researchers, practitioners, scholars, policymakers, and grassroots workers too participated in these events. For all the plenaries, special sessions, there was experts, those who delivered keynote addresses, and there was chairs, co-chairs, and they all participated in different panel discussions. The technical sessions were also grouped in 5 major thematic areas. Those were innovation in DRR and resilience, and how beautiful it is. Yesterday, we handed over our presidency to Brazil, and Brazil's representation was out here. So DRR was the main working agenda for this thing. And again, how beautiful. Yesterday, COP28 started in Dubai. So South-South, out here, we are handing it over from India to Brazil. Other hand, Middle East, from Egypt, it has been handed over to Dubai. So starting from climate action to this thing, every single point was deliberated on all across. Now from this Himalayan state, this DRR movement will go all around everywhere. So there were abstracts we received, and out of those, 250 were invited for presentations as full papers, and 46 poster presentations were there. Full-length papers were also evaluated. There was a committee for this. External referees were there. In addition, oral presentations were there. And we had rapporteurs who now we will come out with a detailed report. Dr. Anand Babu, the convener of WCDM, finally, because they organize a function in which this awards and these certifications are provided to different states, to different presenters. So that will happen sometime later. And the faculty from all universities from across the country, they also served as reviewers, session coordinators, and volunteers. And one of the remarkable feature of this event was active participation from all the people, from top policymakers to grassroots level workers, volunteers and students. It was an overwhelming response from the community-based organizations from the Indian Himalayan region, representing various states from Ladakh to Arunachal Pradesh. And with such tremendous response and participation, if you feel this event, this Congress has been a grand success, please respond with big applause if it is so. Can I play a 2-minute film which summarizes this entire event? 2-minute film.
हिमालय की वादियों में बसी देवभूमि उत्तराखंड की राजधानी देहरादून में शुरू हुई 6th वर्ल्ड कांग्रेस ऑन डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट। एक मंच, एक उद्देश्य, एक लक्ष्य के साथ भारत में आयोजित हुए प्री इवेंट्स एवं कॉन्फ्रेंस और प्रदेश के विद्यालयों में आयोजित हुए कार्यक्रमों के साथ 28 नवंबर 2023 के दिन उत्तराखंड के यशस्वी मुख्यमंत्री श्री पुष्कर सिंह धामी जी ने दीप प्रज्वलन कर आपदा प्रबंधन के इस महासमागम का आगाज किया। उद्घोषणा की एक ऐसे मंच की जहां 50 से अधिक देशों के विद्वानों, विशेषज्ञों, वैज्ञानिकों और छात्रों की भागीदारी से 60 से अधिक ट्रेनिंग सेशंस, सैकड़ों पेपर प्रेजेंटेशंस और परिचर्चाएं संपन्न हुई। एनडीआरएफ, यूएसडीएमए, डीआरडीओ, भारतीय सेना और विज्ञान के क्षेत्र से जुड़ी संस्थाओं ने प्रदर्शनी का आयोजन किया एवं प्रदेश भर से आए कलाकारों ने सांस्कृतिक कला के प्रदर्शन से उत्तराखंड के भव्य आतिथ्य का परिचय। आपदा के विरुद्ध एक बड़ी जीत हासिल करते हुए उत्तरकाशी सिल्क यार्ड टनल में 17 दिनों तक फंसे 41 मजदूरों को सफलतापूर्वक बाहर निकालने की खबर ने कार्यक्रम को और भी उत्साह से भर दिया। 4 दिनों तक चली 6th वर्ल्ड कांग्रेस ऑन डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट का समापन एक अंत नहीं बल्कि एक शुरुआत है आपदा प्रबंधन के क्षेत्र में नए आयामों पर जाने की। साथ सोचेंगे, साथ लड़ेंगे, साथ जीतेंगे।